Hello everyone. I was just going through my references library on Google Photos and I found this picture. Uh, it was taken in Nashik near Trambakeshwar and I was very happy with the composition and overall scene. So I started creating a thumbnail. In first I just blocked the shapes, then I went through the light shapes. I blocked all the main key areas and then I went for some details to get overall idea how it will look in the composition. Then I drew it on the large paper. Now I am preparing some colors which I find are major colors of the painting. Now I am just giving a basic gradient with ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, then some crimson red and patches of yellow in between. As I want to capture the light, patches of yellow orange on the mountain, I find necessary to reflect light's brightness. Now I am creating the bottom dark area with a little bit thicker color and just playing with it, trying to block trees and how it looks. After a few times I came up with this result where the paper is almost dry and now I am going to paint the mountain. I am doing this in partial wet and wet technique, so the area below mountain is yet semi dry and I have sprinkled some water over it, and also I am just playing with the colors. I am just doing some experiments to depict it as a overall bushy area or trees area. Now going with shadows of mountain. I started with that because it was the major dark area of that mountain. Now it came up like this. I paint over the light area also with some orange patches and let the shadow mix into it. I simplified some part of the bushy area, the trees, with patches or splatters of color, and then with the back side of brushes I painted over some strokes of trees. So overall I liked this painting, though it is very small, it was giving me very much satisfaction to paint this different kind of scene. I'm painting the details in dark area, but overall the painting journey was very soothing kind of, or kind of a relaxing session it was. Thank you for watching this video till end. If you like such short videos, let me know in the comments. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos.